Welcome to Math Media Ganitham Madhuram. Today I am going to discuss the try these questions of page number 43 of chapter 3 Understanding Quadrilaterals of class 8 Mathematics. Let's move to our question. A figure is given here and the exterior angles are marked X, Y, Z, P, Q, R respectively. And the interior angles are marked A and all sides are equal. Hence, we can see that the given figure is a regular hexagon. Our first question is, what is the sum of measures of its exterior angles X, Y, Z, P, Q and R? So if we are adding all the exterior angle, we get 360 degree because we already studied the sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Second question, the given figure is a regular hexagon since all sides and angles are equal. Our second question is X equal to, Y equal to, Z equal to, P equal to, Q equal to R and Y? This is the question. Let's solve. As we know that the given figure is a regular hexagon since all sides and angles are equal. Therefore, X equal to 180 minus A. Why we can write 180 minus A? Look at the figure. We see that angle A and angle X form a linear pair. That is an exterior angle and the corresponding interior angle of a polygon makes a linear pair. The angles in a linear pair is 180 if we know X, or if we know A, the other angle is 180 minus the respective angle. So here if we want to find X, so X equal to 180 minus A. With the same reason, what will be the angle Y, exterior angle Y? 180 minus A. What about Z? Angle Z and angle A form a linear pair, hence angle Z is also 180 minus A. Similarly, angle P is also 180 minus A. Q is also 180 minus A. R is equal to 180 degree minus A. Our question is X equal to, Y equal to, Z equal to, P equal to, Q equal to R. From this we prove that X equal to, Y equal to, Z equal to, P equal to, Q equal to R. Next question, question number 3. What is the measure of each exterior angle? We know that X plus Y plus Z plus P plus Q plus R equal to 360 degree. That is all sum of all exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Here we added the exterior angle, so we got 360 degree. And in the question number 2, we prove that each exterior angle is equal. Therefore, measure of each exterior angle will be 360 upon 6 equal to 60 degree. Hence, the measure of each exterior angle is 60 degree. Next, they are asking what is the measure of each interior angle. Since each exterior angle equal to 60 degree, therefore measure of corresponding interior angle equal to 180 minus 60. Why? Because an exterior angle and its corresponding interior angle will make a linear pair. Hence, the measure of interior angle equal to 120 degree. Our next question, what is the measure of each exterior angle and interior angle of a regular octagon? Number of sides of a regular octagon is 8. Therefore, each exterior angle equal to 360 upon 8. Since we have sum of exterior angle of a regular polygon is 360 degree and we learned a formula, each exterior angle of a polygon with n sides equal to 360 upon n. By using that formula, we get 360 upon 8. After cancelling, we get 45 degree. Hence, the measure of each exterior angle of a regular octagon is 45 degree. Now, our second part, what is each interior angle of a regular polygon? Here, the polygon is regular octagon. Hence, each exterior angle of a polygon regular octagon is 45 degree. Hence, each interior angle equal to 180 minus measure of exterior angle. Since an exterior angle and corresponding interior angle of a polygon forms linear pair, hence we can write 180 minus 45 equal to 135 degree. Hence, the measure of each interior angle of a regular octagon is 135 degree. Next question, what is the measure of each exterior angle and interior angle of a regular 20-sided polygon? Here the number of sides of a regular polygon equal to 20. So each exterior angle equal to 360 upon 20, that is equal to 18 degree. Hence, each exterior angle of a regular polygon with 20 sides equal to 18 degree. Now, what about the interior angle of a regular polygon with 20 sides? That is, each interior angle equal to 180 minus measure of exterior angle. That is equal to 180 minus 18. That is equal to 162 degree. Hence, the measure of each interior angle of a regular 20-sided polygon is 162